Hi, it's Almoncho. Today, I'll be making some delicious air-fried chips. Let's start. You will need a scrubbed potato, something to cut the potato with, an air fryer, some olive oil, and any seasoning of your choice. Now we're gonna cut the potato. So we have it on this guard thing to make it safer on this. So we've cut it in half already. And let's go. See, we are slicing the potatoes. It's good. And now we let them soak for 10 minutes. So here, get these and just put some water. There's nice fresh water from the sink. This one hand is getting really sloshy. Okay. And now we drain them. So we get our container here with 2 hands. That should be a bit easier, as it is. And then just put them in this strainer bowl. Like so. There's a couple extra here. We'll get those out. Nope. And now we lay them out on some paper towel to dry. Get it like that. And then just veneer together. Just separate them. And now we put olive oil and what seasoning we choose. So here's our olive oil. Just kind of spritz it on a bit. Very focused stream, hang on. I think this is good. And now we add our seasoning. So here we just have some salt and pepper. This is salt, I can tell because it's less brown on the top. Just put a bit of salt. And a bit of pepper. Oh my god! That all came out at once! After discarding of the pepper chip, it's time to put them in the air fryer. So we'll set it to 390 degrees for 15 minutes. But first we need to put them in before we set the timer. We'll just put them in like this. And now it's time to put them in on 390 degrees for 15 minutes. So pop this in. Make sure you only have 2 layers when you have them in there. And then set the dial to 15. And let's see. I put a little extra seasoning on them and they seem very crunchy. So I'll take this one. Looks very good. If I can get it in my mouth. Mmm. Very good. Here's some. These 2 got stuck together. That was a lot crunchier. Very good though. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.